Hey there! Did you know that raised bed gardens can produce twice as much food in half the space compared to traditional gardens? Yep, no joke. They also help reduce weeds, pests, and even back pain. So if you've always wanted to grow your own food but felt overwhelmed, this is for you. In today's video, we're diving into raised bed gardening for beginners. You'll learn how to get started the easy way, even if you have zero gardening experience. Let's grow something amazing together. Alright, let's break it down into 5 simple steps. 1. Choose the right spot. First up, location. Pick a sunny spot. Most veggies need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. No yard? No problem. Raised beds can work on patios, driveways, or even rooftops. Just make sure there's good drainage. 2. Build or buy your bed. You can either buy a pre-made raised bed or DIY one with wood, bricks, or even fabric grow bags. The ideal size? Keep it around 4 feet wide so you can easily reach the middle. Any length works, but keep the height at least 10 to 12 inches for good root growth. Tip for you: use untreated wood like cedar. It lasts longer and is safe for growing food. Number 3. Fill it with the right soil. This is where the magic happens. A great mix is 50% topsoil, 30% compost, and 20% something fluffy like coconut coir or peat moss. In 2025, more gardeners are switching to peat-free options like coco coir because they're more sustainable and better for the environment. Extra tip: mix in some worm castings if you can find them. They're like superfood for your plants. 4. Choose easy starter plants. If you're just starting, don't go all in on hard-to-grow crops. Try lettuce, radishes, carrots, green onions, cherry tomatoes, or herbs like basil and parsley. These grow fast, don't need much care, and give you quick wins that'll keep you excited. You can even mix flowers like marigolds in. They help keep pests away and add a pop of color. 5. Water smart, not hard. Raised beds dry out faster than regular gardens, so watering is key. Check the soil daily by sticking your finger in. If it feels dry 1 inch down, it's time to water. Early mornings or late afternoons are best. Want to make life easier? In 2025, drip irrigation kits have become super affordable. They save water and time. Win-win. Remember it. Keep it fun. Don't stress about perfection. Gardening is a learning journey. You'll make mistakes. Plants might die, but you'll learn, and it's honestly part of the fun. And the first time you pick your own salad from your own raised bed, you'll feel like a garden boss. That's it, your quick start guide to raised bed gardening. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more beginner-friendly gardening tips. Got questions or want to share what you're growing? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy planting!